doesn't love beautifully displayed reviews, especially when those reviews make your business look amazing? You're going to love our newest feature release, Review Widget Customization. So if you're curious what this is, I'm going to let you know. This is a new customizable review widget that allows you to customize how you show off your reviews on websites or on funnels. If you're curious why this matters and how it helps your business, well, let me share that with you. You are now going to be able to craft review widgets tailored to your brand by choosing layouts, review sources, and even customizing your appearance settings. You're going to be able to customize your widget titles, ratings, colors, and fonts to boost customer engagement and your feedback collection. You'll be able to seamlessly embed those widgets on your website or your funnels to enhance your online presence and attract more reviews. So, to go ahead and start creating these beautiful custom widgets, you're going to go to the reputation area and click on widgets. From there, you are going to see all different types of settings. So first, you're going to go ahead and select what review sources you would like to use, as well as how you want the layout to look. Now, you're going to be able to select that content, what it's going to look like, as well as customize every aspect of the appearance of that review widget. When you're done, you're going to go to the final area, which is settings, and you're going to copy this code. Just go ahead and click the copy code button. Now, what I'd like you to do is take that to either a funnel or a website page, and you're going to want to make sure that you drag in a custom HTML and JavaScript element into an area of your funnel or your website. Once you've drug that new element in, you're going to go ahead and select Open Code Editor. When you open that code editor, this is what it's going to look like. And simply paste in that code that you copied earlier, and voila. Go ahead and save that and take a look at your new beautiful review widget. If you have any questions at all, let us know. We hope you enjoy this, and I think you will. Everybody loves to display their amazing reviews beautifully, and this new option is going to allow you to do that.